Hi, my name's Carl Monte from Karl's Bird World. You're probably thinking, why am I in my chicken coop? Well, a lot of upgrades has been happening in my chicken coop. It's very spacious now because I reduced the number of quails, and I had to reduce my number of quails. But don't worry, I still have my hybrid quails. They're so colorful and cuddly. They're beautiful as well. Today, I would like to show you the first species I brought back. Yes, you heard it, the first species I brought back. These are the species I first took care of when I started my bird hobby. This is my passion. I've been doing this for 6 years already, and you know what? I love it. Yes, y'all, I still have my white angel. I still have my white cockatoo named Angel. Sorry. I still have my Quakers. I still have my cockatails. I still have my conures as well. So, without further ado, why am I still talking? I'm gonna let y'all see it. I'm gonna let y'all see Budgie World. Yes, you heard it, Budgie World. I brought back my parakeets. They're cuddly, they're very colorful, and you can't go wrong. So without further ado, I want to show you Budgie World. Enjoy! Beautiful, right? They come in various amount of colors, and they're very sociable. You can't just keep one. You have to keep them in pairs. Yes, you heard it, pairs. Parakeets are very, very, very sensitive little birds, but they're very beautiful. They're very good, and you can keep them as companions as well, and you can't go wrong with them. As you can hear them. Yes, I think they're talking, but I love it. I wouldn't trade my bird world for anything. And if y'all haven't, click that like and subscribe button, and thank y'all for watching Karl's Bird World.